Alright, I'm going to make a video on how to take apart your Xbox, and what you're going to need is a set of Allen wrenches, but what I'm using these for is to, since I don't have any TA or T9 screws, these work just as well. And you're going to need a bread knife. This is going to be to pop out these little points right here, and a set of micro screw drivers. And what you want to do right now, start out by taking off your hard drive. I'm trying to do this with one hand real quick. Take this out, and then you want to pop up your faceplate. There should be a little tab right there. You just want to get your finger under it. Should pop out just like that. Now what you want to do is there's going to be some tabs under here to get this little grill out right here, and you're going to need one of these little Allen wrenches. Just get a small one. Gotta find it. Here's one. You're gonna see they're little gray tabs. You just gotta pop them out. It might help to hold it upright too. Where is it? It helps use a flashlight too. Alright, I got that grill out, and you just got to do the same thing for this, but since I've already opened up these grills before, they just pop right out. Now once you do that, you're going to see these tabs right there. These things right there. Some of mine are broken because this Xbox gave me a little bit of trouble when I was opening it up for the first time. But you gotta, sometimes it helps just get that butter knife or bread knife under there and just pop it out. So hold on, let me do that real quick. Alright, once you have that, you just want to carefully flip it over so they don't snap back in place. If they do, that's fine. It's not that big of a deal. But now you're going to see those tabs right there. There's that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and these two right here next to the power button. Now you're just going to put your knife, you're going to hear a little pop right there. That's the tab on the inside coming loose. Alright, I don't think that one went. Alright, if it does this, you just want to work with it a little bit. I'm going to stop right here, and then I'll start the video again once I get this. But you got the basic idea of how to do it. Alright, it took me a while, but I finally got it off. Once you have that, you just want to flip it over to the side that has these rubber pads and just lift it off. Now you're going to see all these screws are here. I already took mine apart and labeled them. Some of them are, it depends on what Xbox you have, but some of the screws are just all silver, some are gold and silver, some are just all gold. Mine are silver and gold. But you want to take out all these ones along the side here, and this one right here, and that's about it. Don't take out any of these black screws though. But you're gonna need your Allen wrenches for this, and you might notice I have a screw missing, but that's because it got stripped down to take it out. I'm not sure which one fits. I think it's this one. Maybe one size up.